Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this particular tutorial video, we'll be learning how to fix a zipper properly. If this is what you're interested in learning, please sit back, relax, and let's get straight to the video. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to mark out your zip allowance, which is 1 inches all through. Make sure you mark that out before you start fixing your zipper. And then for beginners, I would actually recommend you use office pin in order to have a very neat zip after you have placed it on your fabric. So guys, you can go ahead and start pinning it on the 1 inch, as you can see I'm doing in this video. After that, you go straight to your machine and then get it sewn. So guys, you can see how neat it's already looking. So you go ahead and do the same thing for the second side of the zip before taking it to your sewing machine to sew. So guys, you go ahead and sew this part and the other parts on your sewing machine. So let's get that done now. So guys, as you can see, we are done fixing our zipper. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment of the kind of tutorial you would love to see. Tell us your experience when you were fixing yours, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.